Hi friends, welcome to Aruna Cuisines. In this video, I want to show you mango rice recipe. Mango rice is very famous in South India. Mango is available in summer season. Preparing mango rice is very easy and also mango rice is very tasty. So let's start mango rice recipe. For mango rice preparation, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Preparing mango rice is very simple and easy. When oil gets heated up, add 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 2 dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon splitted green gram, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 2 tablespoon peanuts, 1 tablespoon chana dal and mix it. Once mustard seeds starts flattering, add curry leaves and mix it. To this add 3 to 4 sliced green chilies and 1 chopped onion and mix well. Now take 1 raw mango and grate it. According to your taste, add grated raw mango and mix well. Salt the mango mixture for few minutes till mango mixture turns to light brown color. To this mango mixture add half tablespoon turmeric powder. Mix it and add salt to taste. And mix the mango contents. Now turn off the stove. To this add boiled rice. I am taking 500 gram of boiled rice. Mix well. Now mango rice is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it.